All right, my love bugs. So today we are going to do our shape hunt. I went around the house and picked out some things and brought them to the table with different shapes. We're going to start off by writing our name at the top. Remember, take pride in your work. Make sure it's nice and neat. We're going to take each shape at a time and we're going to use tallies, so the lines, to count them on this side. So we're going to start off with my candle. The top of my candle is the shape of a circle. So that takes one. My Post-its that I use to take notes on is in the shape of a square. That takes one. Our dice that we use to do our math work is in the shape of a, we're going to look at only one side, right? Not the 3D shape. So we're going to look at one side, and that's the shape of the square. My Play-Doh case, the top of it is the shape of a circle. This magnet tile is in the shape of a triangle. My cubes that we use for math, we're going to look at one side, is in the shape of a square. These are little pouches to clean my glasses, so they're little lens wipes. And this is in the shape of a square, right? A extra battery for my iPhone is in the shape of a rectangle. So a rectangle is like a square that we stretched out. So it has two long sides, two short sides, right? So that goes on the rectangle. We have another magnet tile in the shape of a square. So here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, we make it long ways, right? So we know this cluster is 5. My card for the Bronx Zoo is in the shape of a rectangle. This one was pretty cool. I didn't think I was going to have any, but this is for a toy for Jaden, and that's in the shape of a rhombus. Good. Sometimes we say that diamond, right? Diamond shaped rhombus. And lastly, we have a bristle block, which is in the shape of a rectangle. Good job, guys. Now that we have them all tallied up, we're going to count our tallies and write the number. So let's start at the top with our circle. How many tallies do we have? Count. 1, 2. 2 circles. How many rectangles did we find? Let's count our tallies. 1, 2, 3. We found 3 rectangles. How many squares did we say we found? Do we remember what this is? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 across is 5. How many oval? We didn't have any, so that's a big 0. How many rhombuses did we find? 1. How many triangles did we find? 1. My numbers might look a little bit different than yours because you might find more shapes in your house that I didn't have in my house, but that's okay. You make a tally, which is the lines, or you can even use dots if it's easier for you, and then you count them up and you write that number at all the way in the right-hand side, okay? So guys, have fun. Go on a shape hunt in your house and see how many shapes you can find. Have fun.